The Reignite programme is an 11-week programme. It consists of workshops that focus on a wide variety of skills, both technical and soft skills. So you learn things from communication, networking, social skills, CV, interview skills, and then things like Microsoft Office, PowerPoint, Canva. It also includes a mentoring piece where you are assigned a mentor, an industry specialist who will provide support and opportunity in reintroducing you into the workplace. I completed the Reignite programme myself. I found it incredibly useful and I learned a huge amount of skills. At the end of it, I actually joined the Ludgate team here as the Education Innovation Manager, so I can assure you that it does have success.
Based on personal experience and knowledge of the region, I know there's huge potential for women who have moved into caring roles and are now wanting to re-enter the workforce. I think that's an untapped potential to enter the workforce. And the final kind of area as we go deeper is on a personal perspective. I myself was out of the paid workforce for 3 years when my kids were between the ages of 2 and 5. I know what it's like to leave a well-paid job, doing very well in your career, to take time out to devote to child-rearing or whatever the reason might be for why you've had to leave the workforce. To re-enter the paid workforce is actually a very scary and intimidating experience, and based on that personal experience, myself and the team here, we put together this program that we felt would resolve some of these issues.
I'd love to see more participants holding their hand up for this programme in 2023. I'd love to see Ludgate bringing it to the region again. I most definitely feel that there is a need. There is women out there that want to be upskilled, want to reskill, but also want the network, those to communicate with other women who are experiencing the same thing. And the corporates as well, locally, are crying out for talent. So it's a win-win for all.